Hello everyone, in today's video I will be discussing about the topic bending stress. Now here bending stress I will explain you with this diagram. See, this is the beam and it is supported in both the side, let it be A and B, and this is the length of the beam. Here when we applied a load at the mid section, that is W, what will happen? This beam will bend like this. This beam will bend like this. So here while bending, what happened? Here the bending stress or the resistance will develop. That stress which is developed here inside the beam, that is known as bending stress. Now bending stress can be defined as, here bending stresses are the internal resistance to external force which causes bending of a member. So here it means that due to this applied load, what will happen? This beam will get bent, and due to this applied load inside this beam, some internal stress or the resistance will formed, and due to this load it will cause bending. It's known as the bending stress. Now this bending stress is denoted by sigma B. Here we know that sigma is nothing but the stress and this suffix B is the bending, and the unit of the bending stress is Newton per mm square, or it can be kilonewton per meter square. Now here suppose if we see in this beam there are two possibilities. So here there are two possibilities of the beam when it is loaded. Okay, the first one is it can split into two parts. What does this mean? Here suppose this is a beam, it's a simply supported beam, okay, and when the load is applied over this beam, what can happen to this beam is it can split into two parts, A, B, C and C. This is the C. Okay, so now the next condition is, the next possibilities is the bending. So the first possibility is it can split out into two parts, and the another one is it can be bending. So here in this chapter we'll be more like focusing on the bending, not the shearing one. Thank you.